gettent.com.
Making frame tent installation faster and simpler, the frame tent jack from Celina is a must-have for rental companies or owners of larger tents. When ordered, the frame tent jack will arrive disassembled on a skid. Step 1. Unwrap and lay out all pieces. Step 2. Install the wheels. Locate the wheel axle. It will have a pin in each end, 2 washers, and 2 barrels. Remove one end pin by bending the tines straight, sliding off all of the other hardware with the exception of one washer. Insert the axle through one wheel, then add a barrel piece. Slide the axle through the welded tubes on the base of the jack frame. Add the second barrel to the axle, followed by the second wheel and the second washer. Insert the pin through the axle, bending it to keep it in place. Step 3. Locate the winch assembly arm. Remove the nut and washer from the winch's handle assembly, sliding on the handle and reattaching the washer and nut. Step 4. Unroll the winch cable so that there is enough slack to move the upper beam above the jack frame piece. Step 5. Align the upper beam with the jack frame piece. Make sure that the cable is not twisted around the beams. If the jack is being assembled with the base plate downward, the kickstand will be on the right side of the beam looking from the wheels. Make sure the cable runs straight from the winch to the pulley at the top of the upper beam. Step 6. Remove the bolts in the bottom of the upper beam. Slide the beam onto the jack frame insert, replacing and tightening the bolts. To use the kickstand, lean the jack so that the bar can be reached. The kickstand operates on a dimple lock system when not in use, where a nub on the stand aligns with a hole in the upper beam to keep it in place when not being used. Pull the kickstand out and set it on the ground. This keeps the winch handle from hitting the ground and bending. Tent stakes may be inserted into the 4 welded tubes on the base to add area to the jack. Simply slide the stakes in toward the center of the base. For more information on tenting equipment and supplies, visit our website at www.gettent.com.